Hi, Team A1. Hopefully, all is well in Glendale Heights. Over here in Schaumburg, it is just as crazy, I promise you. We know as your teachers that this can be a very scary and confusing time for you. We understand that as well. We've never been through something like this before. So please know that if you have any questions, concerns, fears, please feel free to share it with us via Schoology or to talk to your parents at home. Again, we know that this is very different for you guys, so we have to kind of temper our expectations as we go through. And even though we'll be trained on e-learning as your teachers, we know that it's kind of a learning process for all of us. So if you guys have feedback, you have comments, please let us know on how we can make learning the easiest possible for you. All right, let's get started. Overall expectations for e-learning for yourself. We expect that every morning you guys log into your Chromebook and you go through the slides for each of your classes. Each class will highlight some type of lesson or activity that you'll engage in, and then you'll have some type of assignment most likely for that day to complete and submit. Now, it is important that after you kind of go through that you do submit so that we know that you went through the assignment and you actually are here and you're learning with us. If we see that you haven't submitted anything for a few days, number one, we're concerned. And number two, we'll have to call home, email home, make sure that you are okay and well. If you have questions throughout, your teachers will be near their computers and the time frame that I kind of outlined in that document, and you can message them with any questions that you have. For math specifically, every single day you will have some lesson or activity that will be a review. You're not learning anything new while you're not in front of me in my classroom. It'll all be some type of review from previous units, from the last week. This will be kind of in an effort to prepare you for IER and NWEA, which those are all things that we've learned. We just need to make sure that we haven't forgotten them. You will be learning from a diagram, from a document that I post, or a lot of times it'll be from a video that I upload to my YouTube channel that, yes, I made just because of COVID-19. And if you could subscribe to it, that would be great. I'm not just trying to get subscribers. I just don't want my mom to have to be my only subscriber because that is very embarrassing. You can also definitely look through your ISN if you need some help. Yes, you can YouTube things, obviously, or ask a friend, but your best resource is your ISN. You'll also have some type of assignment that I'm going to ask you to submit, whether that's on Schoology or Pearson, just so that I know that you've engaged in the lesson and you're practicing your skills. Another important thing, this is probably what I'm the most nervous about. We just started our new problem-solving protocol these past few weeks, and it's very important to me, especially thinking about your upcoming standardized tests and thinking about you guys transitioning into being a high school learner. How this is going to work. On Monday, at the start of the week for this week and for next week, you'll be assigned problem solving 3 and the next week problem solving 4. It will be done via Schoology. You will have to have it done and submitted by Thursday at 11:59. Otherwise, you will not be able to open or submit it. On Friday, I will post a video going over the 2 problems just so you can see what you did, maybe what you did wrong, how you can adjust. For your written responses that you'll have this week, I'm going to assess with the rubric. It'll just be better feedback for you, and you'll understand better how to improve for next time. Please remember that with problem solving, it's okay to get the wrong answer, but it's not okay to not try. So even if you get the answer wrong, it's still very important for your learning, for yourself, and for me that you actually do try and you do submit. And I think that's it. So every day, especially for math, log in, look at the lesson, watch the video, complete your assignment, and just don't forget your problem solving is due Thursday at 11:59. If you have any questions, you guys, please do not hesitate to reach out. Please know that this is hard for us too to be away from you and that we miss you so much. We'd much rather be with you in person than here on a computer screen. So if you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. Miss you guys. Wash your hands. Stay safe.